So after we have created the product group, we need to create a material master record for each raw material we will use to produce both of the finished products. So again, to access this one, we go to logistics, production, master data, material master, material, create a special, and this one we will use raw material, and here we enter the code for it. So it's ink retail. So we will select the view, basic data 1, purchasing, MRP 1, MRP 2, and accounting 1. The plan is 1200. So for the basic data, we will enter the description here. It's ink for blue crystal 00, and the base unit is millimeter, and in the purchasing tab, for material group is 006. Again, I can't access the purchasing tab because I have missed a required field, so I need to enter it. So I now go to the purchasing tab. Purchasing tab, the base unit of measure is millimeter. The material group is 006. Okay, and the purchasing group is 007. Again, you will find the definition of each of these fields in your exercise field. In MRP1, we will enter the base unit of measure, the purchasing group, okay, the MRP type. MRP type is PD. The lot size is EX, and the MRP controller is 101. And in MRP2 field, the procurement type is F. The planned delivery time is 4 days. And the schedule margin K is 000. And we can use the cursor now to go to the accounting one. So last tab we need. So the base unit of measure is millimeter. The valuation class is 3000. The price control is S. The price unit is 1, and the standard price is 005. Standard price is 005. And then click on save. And then you can do the same steps for the other raw materials, for the ballpoint, for the plastic used for the body, and for the cap plastic for crystal blue pen. So now we need to make it for the ballpoint. And we need basic data 1, MRP1 and MRP2, and that is 1200. Here it's 400. PC, that's for this tab, and for the MRP 1. Base unit of measure VC. Purchasing group is 007. MRP type is PD. Lot size is EX. MRP controller is 101. And this for MRP1. For MRP2, the planned delivery time is 6 days, and for scheduled is 0. And again, this is done here. For the plastic used, it's body. It's basic data 1, MRP1 and MRP2. So for the description, it is the plastic for body crystal blue pen. Here the basic units is the gram, or the MRP1 purchasing group is 007, MRP type it's PD, lot size EX, MRP controller is 101, and for MRP2 planned delivery time is 2 days, and scheduled is 000. Again, you find it go easy when you practice it more and more. So another raw material, it's the cap plastic. So it's cap, group, and your number. Here we need basic data 1, MRP1 and MRP2. It's cap plastic blue crystal pen 00, and base unit of measure is gram, and we go to MRP1. So purchasing group is 007, MRP type is PD, lot size is EX, MRP controller is 101, planned delivery time is 2 days, and scheduler is 000. And these are all of the lists of the raw materials we will use to produce the finished products.